Just out of curiosity, 21,929. It's gone up another 3. That 777 plan membership. Just while I've been talking, it's doing really, really well. The 777 plan. But here we go. This is where we take out the draw. We click on this, and quick as a flash, we should have had it programmed to be more suspenseful, I suppose, show numbers going or something before it actually settled on a member. But we click that and it's almost instant. So before we do that, let me check if we've got any more questions. No more questions. So let's go back there. Roll on the drums. And here we go. Take out the raffle. Let's see who the winner is. And the draw, the first prize is John B65. I know he's won before. It's one of our members. I can't remember what his name is, but I do recognize the username. So he's got the top prize of $80, and 43 users will get a prize of $1 each. I can't remember how many we had. I did check before. I think we had about 130 tickets sold. So 80 and 43, 123. We'll have a small profit from that raffle, and that'll go into the pool. And when we get up to about $500, I think we're around about $200 at the moment. When we get up to around $500, then we can select a charity amongst those that are participating, and give them a lovely gift. Okay, so there we go. That's the raffle drawn. Now next week, as I say, there will be more raffles, and they will involve withdrawals, automatic withdrawals. Well, no, it will be processed for you. Let's put it that way. When you win, and you can win anything from $25 to $100 withdrawal from your ShareHope wallet. Okay, and it will be raffled because, as pointed out a little bit earlier, there won't be sufficient corporate liquidity to make it worthwhile paying everybody. It would only be a few cents each.